Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Mailchimp and QuickBooks together or how you can connect them. So you have to understand that the QuickBooks Online and the Mailchimp integration before doing this. So first you will have to connect one QuickBooks Online account to one Mailchimp account, and they will import the customer information from QuickBooks Online to Mailchimp. And here's what imports for each customer. So, customer name, email, business address, and phone number, and any transaction and invoice data connected to that customer. And how do you connect QuickBooks Online and MailChimp? So, basically, you will just have to go to your MailChimp account, and then you will just have to go to the integrations icon once you log in, and then you will select MailChimp for QuickBooks Online. And in the select an audience field, you will select the drop down menu, which is like this, and then you will just have to choose the MailChimp audience you want to sync your QuickBooks Online customers to. And in the select contact status field, you will select the drop down arrow right here. Then you will just have to choose the status that you want for your new QuickBooks contacts. And subscribed contacts have agreed to receive your marketing, and for unsubscribed contacts haven't opted into receiving marketing materials. And then after all that, you will just have to select connect to QuickBooks, and then you will have to enter your QuickBooks login info in the email or user ID and password fields, and then you will just have to select sign in. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.